Hello everyone, and welcome to the Thanh An channel. I'm Harry, I'm from Thanh An Factory. Today I will introduce and show you about my best selling in my factory. It's named the web hair, natural hair, and Vietnamese woman hair.
We got here full of the lengths of hair extensions. Hair is so nice, so beautiful, shiny, and healthy. All bundles are made from Vietnamese girls' and women's hair. Now I show you a bundle in detail. In my hand is a bundle of hair, as a standard 100 gram per bundle. We confirm that this is a natural hair weft bundle, no chemical. No process, most favored in the world. You can see, the hair is very smooth, very beautiful, and natural, and, especially, our hair bundles are tangle-free. Now, I'm going to weigh this hair bundle. You can see, it's 100 grams a bundle. Now I'm gonna show you how to measure a wavy bundles. You need to pull it to maximum, make it straight to measure. Step 1. Comb the hair. Use a wide tooth comb, comb the end part first. Then comb the middle part. And then comb the top part at last. Afterwards, comb gently from top to bottom in the same direction. Step 2. Spray the hair. Spray from the bottom first, and then the middle. And the top at last. Then smooth the hair. Step 3. Add hair serum. And heat your oil for a few seconds till they are warm. And remember, focus on the bottom. And move to the middle and finish at top.